Hello guys, this is Melkamu from EnergyWise. So today I'm going to discuss about the application of solar PV system. So I will mention some of the applications, which is 8 applications of solar PV system, but it doesn't mean that you have only 8 applications of solar PV system, but there is a lot. So I just mentioned which is important for our country. So let me start from the first one. So when we see the content, the first one is solar powered container office, and the second will be mobile solar solution for short-term project and mobile operations, and the third will be solar light towers. Fourth, high efficiency solar room air conditioner, solar LED street light, solar refrigerator, solar electric vehicle, and solar security camera home surveillance. So when I start from the first one, so the first is a solar powered container office. So what I'm describing here is, for example, if you have different sites, for example, a road site, if you are constructing road for some rural areas, so you will have a site there. So for your site, you need office. So for your office, if you are going to build a concrete one, it will cost you more. So what you can do is you can buy a 40 feet or 20 feet container, so that in this way, as it is mentioned here or as shown here, like you can have the office in this way. You can have a desk and a chair like this in a container. So this container will be powered by this solar panel, and inside, according to your need, we can include solar refrigerator, solar air conditioner if it is hot areas. So also another applications according to your need. So this is an all-in-one system, so that when you start the site, you will like mount it by taking directly to the site, and then after you finish the site, you will take that container back to the office, back to the main office, so that when you have another site, you can relocate it again. So this is one application. So it is customizable. So if you need more space, you can consider 40 feet, but you can consider 20 feet as well. So the power option can be from 2 kilowatt up to 10 kilowatt. So it consists of like solar panels, brackets like the structures, charge controller, battery, inverter, and distribution panels. So this is one unit, so it can be differ. And as I said before, if it is hot area, so we can include an air conditioner, it's on optional. And we have another supplier, so it's optional also because it's customizable according to the site and need. So this is one application of a solar PV system. So if you need this, contact us. And the other application is a mobile solar solution for short-term projects. So for example, if you have a site, a big site on the rural areas, so you will need some workshop to take care of some welding project or some cutting and some cooking and other applications. So for that, you can use these mobile solutions. That means like this one, you can take lots of solar panel in a container. So when you reach the site, you will take out those solar panels and then install it. And then after you finish the site, you'll bring back the solar panels by taking down all the installations and pack it in a container and then back to the office. So for example, if you see this video, this is one application of solar panels. So you can get it in a course on innovations, but we can also do this here. So as you see it here, it's a mobile solution. So you can take the container there and assemble it again. So you'll get a mini grid there. It's a microgrid, or you can call it a mini grid. It's a big one. So in this way, you can do other small works there. So this is one application. So after you connect the solar panels, so you can connect them directly to the inverters. So these inverters can supply AC output, so that you can use this as a supplier for the mini workshop or as a cooking application. So it's up to reach 45 kVA in three-phase or single-phase inverters. So you have a photovoltaic inverter, directly changes from DC to AC so that you can use it in the daytime, or if you want to use it for the nighttime, you can also include the batteries so that the batteries can be reaches up to a nominal capacity of 90 kilowatt hours. So it's a big one. So you can use this kind of application also for the sites. And the other applications, the solar light towers, we can also manufacture this thing here. So what I want to describe here is, so the solar light tower is used for the different construction. For example, if you are doing a building, so when you want to work on the night shift, so you have to give enough light to the workers so that you can use this kind of solar light towers. So in the daytime, it's collect energy and store it in a battery. Then at the night time, it will give light to the construction area. So this also can be different according to the tower height, or that means the light height, and also the brightness of the lamp. So it can differ, or you can order based on your need. So this is also one other application. So instead of using diesel powered for the nighttime, you can like collect them and use it for nighttime applications. So this is one application of a solar PV system. So as I said it before, so it can be different according to your need, brightness, and also your height. So that means you will have different capacity of solar panels, batteries, and lead lighters, and also the hydraulic mast will be different also. So as I said before, if you need it, just order us. The other one is a high efficiency solar room air conditioner. So this is the other application of a solar panel. So here you can use AC power or DC power. So in the daytime, most of the time, like when we have like site offices, so most of the time the working hour is in the daytime. So in the daytime, the solar panel can give power directly to the air conditioner so that we can have a conditioned air inside our room. But if you need it to use it for the nighttime, so it can be also plugged to the AC powers, so we can use in nighttime also. So this is another application of solar panel. So this is also can be different according to our need. So that means according to the area of the office, so we can get them in different BTUs, like British thermal units. That means in different sizes. So the solar input also varies according to the size of the air conditioner. So also this is also another application of a solar PV system. And another application, the one that you know mostly, which is a smart solar LED street light. So before, what we know is like we mount a solar panel on the top of a pole, and then the battery is also in another mounting device. But now it's an all-in-one system, so the panel mount on the top. As you see it here, the panel is mounting on the top of the lamp itself, and also the battery is also inside. As you see it here, the battery is also inside. So it's an all-in-one system. So also, if we want to increase the efficiency of the battery, we can include also the motion sensors according to the need of the design. So if we need the light when there is some movement, so we can include the motion sensor so that when there is a movement, when there is a motion, so the light will on and it give light to that specific thing. So when there is no movement, so the light will be off. So in that way, we can increase the lifetime of the battery. So this is an all-in-one system. So this is also another application of the solar panel. So here, the PV also used for, can be found in different sizes according to the light brightness. That means the LED power. So also the installed height can be different. So when the height increases, the number of power and the panel increases. So in that way, you can get this in different sizes. The other application is the solar refrigerator. This is mostly known in rural areas, especially here in Ethiopia, most of the health posts, these things are distributed by vendors, so you will get those in different health posts in Ethiopia. So this is also another application. So this refrigerators are DC refrigerators, so we can directly plug them into the solar panel, and then if you want to store energy, we can include a battery, and then we can use it in the night time also. So most of the time this refrigerator come with a battery, because we need this refrigerator in the night time, so that we can include the battery to use it for the night time. And this also can be found in different size according to the liter of the refrigerator. So as you see it here, for 110 liter, we can use this kind of system. And the other application is a solar security camera. So this is nowadays one good application of a solar PV system with a battery. Why? Because when we design the house, that is in the finishing stage, if we consider in the beginning the security system, the security cameras, we can mount them according to our design, because we left some some cables to power the security cameras. But if we finish without considering the cable for the security cameras, so we can use this kind of security surveillance system. So we will not worry about the cut of electric, so it can charge it by its own solar. This solar PV can be adjusted according to the need of our system. That means if it is 15 degree, or according to the tilt angle, we can adjust it. And then inside it have its own battery. So this is an outdoor and a wireless, so it have a night vision and PRL's motion detection included also. So we can easily monitor our home using this kind of security camera. So this is also one application of a solar PV system. So the last one is solar electric vehicle charging station with integrated energy storage. So as we know that in Ethiopia, the government gave good priorities to the electric vehicles, so that most of the imported cars nowadays are electric vehicles. So we need lots of charging stations. So the one that we know here in Ethiopia, mostly in Addis, is the charger, which takes power directly from AC and then it converts to DC according to the type of the EV charger, whether it is fast charge or slow charge. So it can give directly to the cars. So, but if we want to multiply those charging stations in different rural areas, so we have to have this kind of system. That means the blue one is charging stations. That means energy storage. So in the daytime it will collect the power from the sun through these solar panels and then directly store it into this integrated energy storage. And then from this energy storage we can directly give to this charging station, so that this charger can charge the electric vehicles. So in this way we can also multiply this in different rural areas, so that we can use those electric vehicles to travel to different part of the country. So this is the last application. So next time we will see how we can connect those systems, for example, from the PV to the integrated energy storage, from energy storage to the charging station, and from charging station to the battery. So we will see the electrical diagram of those components that we mentioned here. So this is it. So don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you. Next time we'll see in another video. Bye bye.